Hello friends, welcome to Mini Magic Kitchen with Chef Ovi. Today we are cooking something that everyone loves. Do you know what is it? Yeah, you are right, Mini Maggi. But wait, we are doing it in the tiniest kitchen as possible. We can make it as tasty as the real thing? Let's find out. Safety first. Before we start, let's do a quick safety check. Always wash your hand before cooking. And remember, our mini stove might be small, but it gets hot. That is why ask an adult to help when using anything that heats up or sharp tools. Stay safe and have fun. First up, look at this tiny packet of Maggi noodles. Isn't it adorable? It's so small. It can fit right in my pocket. Inside we have special seasoning, full of flavor. This little packet makes our noodles taste amazing. Now we got our super tiny pot ready on the mini stove. Look how small it is. Now let's heat it up. It's heating up already. Let's add some few drops of water. Tiny pot needs tiny amount, right? Now look at these bubbles. Looks so nice, right? It's already boiling. Now it's time for seasoning. The Maggi masala. It's time for the seasoning. Let's remove the seasoning. This little seasoning makes our noodles taste amazing, right? The Maggi masala, just a pinch. Yep, even our mini masala is tiny. Let's watch as it dissolves. It's so satisfying, right? Now let's stir it. Stir, stir, stir. Now here comes the star of the show, Mini Maggi noodles. Carefully, we drop them into the water. Wow, they perfectly fit. Don't forget to give it a tiny stir with our tiny spoon. It's cooking fast. It's filling the kitchen with that yummy Maggi smell. Can you smell it? Oh, I bet you can. It looks so delicious. Now it's time to put our mini Maggi noodles on a plate. Look at that, perfectly cooked and so tiny. It tastes so amazing. Do you want it? Oh, you can make it. Thanks for joining us, the mini kitchen today. Okay, bye. See you. We will share some recipes with you too. Bye.